Cynthia. When I'm 70 years old, I want to do two things. I want to go on a road trip and I want to grow pets. First, I want to go on a world trip. First reason is I like to learn about another country and I like to eat. For example, I always choose food to my birthday gift when I'm young. Second reason is I can go on a trip myself too, because I think I earn money in 20 to 50 years old and I can go on a trip. Secondly, I want to grow a pet. First reason, I like animals because I take care a lot of animals and I like their all of the things. Secondly, I need animals. For example, when some people is old, they are going to weak. But some animals are protect animals, like dog. So I think I need grow pets and I wanted a lot of too. In conclusion, I want to do two things when I'm 70 years old. First, I want to go on a world trip. Second, I want to grow a pet. Thank you for listening to me, everyone.